everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the beans and broccoli recipe. So this is the beans. I soaked the beans overnight in the water with bicarbonate of soda and bay leaf. So this is the morning. Okay, so I washed off the beans from the water of the baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. Now I'm adding them into the pot. I'm going to list all the ingredients I'm using here. So after washing them in my pot, I'm adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin of olive oil. Now I'm throwing in my garlic, and I'm going to allow that garlic to roast for 2 to 3 minutes. And here I added my fresh tomatoes and celery leaf, or you can add it together with the stick, just the way I did here. So I'm going to roast that tomatoes, like I'm going to allow the tomatoes to cook for 2 to 4 minutes, and we proceed to the next step. So this is after 3 to 4 minutes of cooking the tomatoes. Now I'm adding my washed beans into the tomato now. So after adding them, I'm going to give that a quick stir. Season them with some salt. You can add black pepper or you can add fresh pepper. Okay, depends on your choice, guys. So skip the pepper side. Okay, now I'm adding water, and the water is going to be at the same level with the beans. Afterwards I'm going to cover the pot and allow that beans to cook. So here is after some minutes. As you can see, the water is almost dry, but the beans have not cooked to the texture I want. So off the camera, I added extra water into the beans and allowed them to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So the beans is fully cooked now. I'm going to off the heat and set that aside. So now I'm going to cook the vegetable, which is broccoli leaf. It's called Cima the wrapper in Italy. I'm adding salt into my boiling water. Now I'm adding the vegetable. This is broccoli leaf. Okay, you can use spinach or any vegetable of your choice, but here in Mediterranean side of Italy they use this broccoli leaf for this recipe because this is a Mediterranean vegan recipe. So this is after 6 minutes of cooking, 5 to 6 minutes of cooking the vegetable. They are cooked, like they are fully cooked. You can cook yours for less, okay, if you don't want to cook them up to 5 to 6 minutes. So now I took off the vegetable from the water, and time to serve that, because you don't want to leave that vegetable to get cold. You need to eat them hot. So here is the final result, guys. The beans and the vegetables are ready, and you are going to be serving them with extra virgin of olive oil. Make sure you're using 100% extra virgin of olive oil. Okay, so yes guys, that is all for this recipe. So this is another vegan based broccoli leaf based recipe from Mediterranean side of Italy. So I'm using salt, pasta, which is called orecchini here in Italy, and fresh broccoli leaf, also extra virgin of olive oil. So that is the water for the pasta. I'm going to allow them to boil. So as you can see, the water is boiling, and I'm adding salt. So after adding salt, I'm adding the pasta into the water and allow that pasta to cook almost cooked. Okay, so as you can see, the pasta is almost cooked but not well cooked. Now I'm going to be adding that broccoli leaf, which is called Cima the wrapper, into the pasta and allow both to cook until the pasta is fully cooked, which is going to be taking about 5 minutes to get that done. So here the pasta is cooked and the vegetables are all cooked as well. So time to get them out of the water. So here we are. Add the vegetable and the pasta into your plate. This recipe, I'm also going to be serving them, or you're going to be having them with extra virgin of olive oil. Make sure you will have 100% extra virgin of olive oil. It's a simple recipe, but it's very delicious, very healthy, not too complicated to prepare. So I hope you give them a try. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. God bless you. Bye.